Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to NetTech tutorials, and today on this video I will show you how we can add new Google account on Android phone. So if you wanna add account on your Android phone, then you will be able to do it after you follow these tips on this video. So let's get started. First of all, to add new Google account, we have to go to setting. So on your menu and go to setting. Now from here, from all this list, we have to find account. So here you can see accounts, tap an account, and you can see an option to add account here. So tap on add account, and here you will get an option what kind of account you want to add. So I am gonna tap on Google. Since I wanna add Google account, now you can see this screen that is checking for the information. Now here on this page, we have to type our Google email address or Gmail address. So I am gonna type my Gmail account here. Now tap on next. Here you have to type your password for Gmail account. So I am gonna type my password, and after you type password, tap on next, and here you have to tap on I agree. Then click on more and accept option, and here you go. So you can see that the new email account has been added on the account section. So now you will be able to use Google Pay services will Play Store your YouTube account from the new Gmail accounts. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.